I have challenged myself to double my trading account with only $1,000. Will this episode ruin our win streak? Let's find out. So we're currently on Euro USD 1 minute time frame, and as we can see over here is dropping down nicely. So I really like this, and I'm gonna just open a 0.50. We're gonna do around 6 pips, take profit low, give or take, just covering the two moving averages. 5 seconds left until this new candlestick closes. 2 seconds, one. That looks pretty good actually for a nice short. I'm gonna do 2 lot size this time. So another minute passes and bearish engulfing candlestick closes. Beautiful. This is really good. Even if we have a look at the 5 minute time frame, as you can see, we have this nice little trend over here, pretty much a head and shoulders pattern as well, and currently it has been broken through the neckline. After the neckline breaks, we're bearish engulfing candlestick. It does look like it's gonna go down, so we get another bullish engulfing candlestick. I'm not too scared because we have the 2 moving averages. I'll open just another trade 0.50 since it's in that position already. And I do believe that this trade will do really well if we give it some time. Oh wow, it's going towards the upside, trying to break the 50. Is it gonna break the 50? If it breaks on the 5 minute time frame, the 2 moving averages are gonna have to close off the trading positions. We can have a look over here, $117 in the minus at the moment. So yeah, 5 minute time frame actually closed off the trade. They're gonna have to close it off. Unfortunately, I closed off minus $130. Really sucks. I thought it would be a little bit better than that. So Euro USD is kicking my ass today, but that's okay. We can recover. All right, Euro USD seems like it could have a little pullback before it goes up. So I'm just going to open a 1 lot size trading position just to not miss the move in case it does go towards the upside straight away. All right, nice. So I'm watching the 1 minute time frame, bullish engulfing candle forming. If it does, there we go. We're going to open a big one, 3 lot size. Make it like that so we know how many trades we have open as well. All right, new candlestick formed, a nice little push towards the upside. Now a little exhaustion. Let's see what the market is saying. So at the moment, $96. And if it gives me another bullish engulfing candlestick, I might even consider entering yet another trade. $130 at the moment. I'm gonna open 1 lot size, just another trade. There we go, $200. I'm really debating whether I should close. Yeah, strong dip towards the downside. Not sure I like that at the moment. Fair entry is going out the window. So look at this, we're in trouble at the moment. $76 was $1 a second ago. All right, nice. It's coming back towards the upside as I expected. Hopefully it breaks past this area zone over here, the previous top. 2 seconds, 1, and we are broken this area zone over here. This candlestick is now higher. 5 minute actually developed a bullish engulfing candlestick. This is really good, especially because it's on the 5 minute time frame. It's higher time frame than the 1 minute time frame, so it's just more accurate. All right, it's dipping down slightly, and you know what, I might be entering yet another trade. Let me do a 1 lot size is fine. Let's do that. Okay, my free margin ain't that great, but why am I entering this trade? Because the moving average is now over here, right? It touched the 20 moving average, and look at this, bullish pressure is coming. 245 at the moment. I feel like we can squeeze a little bit more than that. So a strong pullback towards the downside. I nearly had to close off one of my trade positions due to margin call. Coming back towards the upside, it's in between the 20 and 50 moving averages, which is usually a catalyst support to go towards the upside in this case. After it breaks the 50, then we have no chance pretty much. But at the moment, it can definitely go towards the upside and resume its trend because the market, as I said, moves with that push exhaustion push mentality. Okay, so we broke past the 20 moving average, which is great. That's what we want. Strong bearish candlestick over here. Very strong one. Wow. As it goes down like that, it actually can go back up with the same ferocities. Wow, I wasn't ready for these huge movement. As you can see, nice push. But there we go, a nice push again towards the upside. Strong area resistance over here. I don't like that. every single time. 250, and you know what, I'm gonna close it off. So look at this, what did I tell you, is pushing towards the upside furthermore, and this is where I ideally wanted to close off the trade. So if we have a look at our history, there we go. So we lost our 3 trades over here, and we won 4 of these trades as well. So we are in some profit, I don't know, $40-50 in profit or something like that. So not the greatest trading session, however, I'm happy we recovered.